The video, titled Inspection Video 1953 Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn, presents detailed visuals and commentary as the car is examined and driven, a true enthusiast delight. Vehicle history and rarity. Production run. Manufactured between 1949 and 1955, the Silver Dawn is among the earliest Rolls-Royce models with an in-house factory-built body. Limited numbers, only 760 to 785 units were produced during its lifespan. Export-first approach. Initially offered exclusively for export, the Silver Dawn only reached the UK market around October 1953, aligning with a design shift mirroring the Bentley R-Type. Design and engineering highlights. Chassis and body. Based on the Bentley Mark VI chassis, it initially shared much of its construction with that model before transitioning to the newly styled Bentley R-Type body in 1953. Engine specs. Originally equipped with a 4.2L straight-six IOE, upgraded to 4.6L in 1951. Early models had a Stromberg carburetor, later models received a Zenith carburetor. Transmission. Initially came with a 4-speed manual gearbox. From late 1952 onward, a 4-speed automatic, GM Hydromatic, became available as an option. It was never standard. Chassis construction. Pre-1953 models used a riveted frame, while later units switched to a welded chassis. Suspension and brakes. Featured independent front suspension, coil sprung, and a live rear axle with leaf springs. Brake system was semi-hydraulic, hydraulic drums up front, mechanical at the rear. Performance metrics. A 1954 test model with automatic transmission achieved. Top speed, 94 mph. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 15.2 seconds. Fuel economy, approximate 15.4 miles per gallon, Imperial. Another European test measured 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 15.2 s, fuel usage at 18.3 L/100 km, and a top speed around 151 kilometers per hour, 94 miles per hour. The price then was £4,704 including taxes. Coach-built variants and special editions. While many were built with the factory standard pressed steel body, a number were delivered as chassis-only units for custom coach building. Notable coach builders included Park Ward, Hooper, and H.J. Mulliner, producing bespoke bodies like coupes and drop-head convertibles. Commentary on the video itself. The video review likely navigates through close-up shots of the exterior styling, including the iconic Rolls-Royce grille and chrome accents. Views of the interior craftsmanship, showcasing vintage switchgear, dashboard detail, and cabin trim. Perhaps commentary or visuals on engine bay, undercarriage, or interior condition, essential for classic car evaluations. A drive segment highlighting how the Silver Dawn sachets on the road, its acceleration, handling, and overall feel. Summary: the Silver Dawn's allure. The Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn stands out as a pivotal post-war luxury icon, a pioneering factory-built model for Rolls-Royce. Very limited production, especially in coach-built variants, making it highly collectible. A refined blend of vintage elegance, understated power, and bespoke craftsmanship. Offers genuine driving charm rather than outright performance. Owning or reviewing a Silver Dawn is a journey into automotive heritage, an elegant relic of Rolls-Royce's evolution and post-war luxury craftsmanship.